hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So I'm shooting after almost a month now. Yes, so today what we are doing is, this part over here, if you check here, so all the water from this tire splashes right onto my monoshock that's here. So to deal with that problem, I've got this RX100 front mud guard. That's the flap which usually bees over here on the RX100 like this. So I've got this. So this is like more of like a DIY jugaad. So we'll be putting it over here like somehow like this, so that all the water that's coming off the tire is not getting splashed at my monoshock. So what happens, I've seen most of the Himalayans, what happens is that the monoshock gets spoiled. The bush which is down over here, this one gets spoiled because of the water splash. So in order to avoid that problem, it is better to prevent, right, rather than to spend a lot of money fixing it. So this just costed me around 30 rupees. So I guess this should do the job well. So I'll just mount it over here. But the main problem is that we'll have to remove this entire flap. We'll have to drill 2 screws over here, and then we'll have to pass this nut bolts which are here through that. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a work, but I'll get the bike on double stand, and then we'll start working on it. Both of the nuts from here and here are removed, and this thing is coming out now. So there is just one clip over here, right here, both the places. That's here, and one will be here. So we can access it from here and remove that. Okay, so I was wrong about that. These clips that I showed were of this, but the main bolts are over here. One is here, this one. Yeah, this one, and the same is this one. So we'll just quickly take them out. Actually, I'm opening it for the first time on myself, so that's why I'm facing a bit difficult. Not difficult exactly, but I don't know where exactly the nuts are. So I'll just take that out now. Yes, so we removed both these nuts from here and here, and all we need to do now is just remove this panel out. Look at the dirt that's accumulated over here. I'll wash it also before putting it in. And these are the wire that I've disconnected already. So there is not much assembly on that, so which is a good part. Yes, so these are the markings that I've done. If you can see them properly. So this one and this one, the top one. So I got the drill. I'll just drill them. Actually, there's no one to hold the phone to show the exact process, but you can take the reading while this plate is mounted over here only. So that gives you a more flexibility to do this thing. Yes, yes, we are done fitting the part. So this is how it looks. I just tried to wipe it also because because of the GPS tracker I could not wash it. So yeah, so the final look of it comes like this. So I think I'll just put some glue over here. Yeah, besides that, it looks like pretty cool. Now let's see how it looks after we fit it. There's a lot of a deep clean that we have to do. I'll look for some good detailer and get it done to him, because even on the engine, if you see here, there's a lot of dust. So if you all have any contacts, please let me know. But I tried searching, I did not get any good ones. Yeah, so we'll just put this back in place right now. Yes, so we managed to apply some glue also to it. This is the glue that I used. These are like multi-purpose glues, these ones. So all you have to do is you should apply it on both the ends, like here and here. Not stick it and apply on both the ends, wait for it to dry and just press it. So this part over here is done. So I cleaned a bit over here also, not that good, but yeah, it will do the work. So now all we have to do is just put everything in place how it was. I hope there are not much vibrations after we do these steps. Let's hope for the best and put these things. So our job here is done. So this is how it looks. So like the water from here will directly fall on that. So this is like a successful job done. Yeah. So now Mefran and Malcolm is come. We'll just go out somewhere. Let's see where we go. But I'm pretty happy that this job is done here. So this is the honey that we got from them. Like I got 800 ml. Sana, just give this in. So we are going to Parvat. Mefran and Malcolm is at the back. So like we almost climbed half of it. Like that's the view from the side. We'll stop somewhere. I'm not sure if we'll be going right on top near the temple. But yeah, I think we'll get a good view from here. So still we are not like quite on top. We have a long way to go. But I think they are building some detention walls or something like that because of landslides over here. Yeah, so like we are going to the temple. And we kept our car here. So like these are the steps that we have to go through. So these guys are like already tired. I don't know. they cannot even walk for like 2 minutes. That too, we just kept our car over there and like these are the steps 1, 2, 3. But still they are way too tired to walk. So they have made this like cabinets for keeping our footwear. Like I'm come here after I guess 1 year now. So we'll just keep here only. So they have made this like they have kept like I think they are doing some puja like statues. It looks really good though. Yeah, so like we came to this viewpoint here. Like my friend was saying that this is like the highest point in South Goa. And that we can see like all the 4 directions, that is north, south, east and west. Like I believe this is the sea that we can look from here. And I remember like when we were young we could see like up there around fort from here. But I'm not sure if we can see it now because the trees have grown a bit. We used to go to some other side over there, like there are rocks down also, but I think they closed it now. So yeah, so like you can look at the sun rays. Welcome to episode of Man vs Wild. So there's some research going on this. Yes, so like we are like going down to Akana from the temple. There was some puja that was going on, so we do not want to talk loudly over there. Like we are back in Aka, and my friend is like a new driver. So I think you all must have seen that video, that girl who was trying to learn car at the distinct mountain. So I hope this is not the case today. We reached the footstep of the mountain, and we just stopped to have some roast omelette, and like we are having chicken right now. So our omelette is getting ready. Yes, so our roast omelette is also come now. Yes, so we had roast omelette, but payment was a bit of an issue. Actually, he was not having a scanner, so we did to someone else over there, and he made a payment for us. Like since Google Pay has come, I too have left roaming with cash. Like even my friend did not carry cash today. Even though it is little, but there is 0 cash on us. Yes, so now right now we are going home. Let's see, like if I reach home early, I'll go to play. Otherwise, I won't. Like 2-3 days I went, I felt a bit good. Like let's see if I go today. Because evening mostly it starts raining, and then like the motivation only does not come to go out. So like we'll go home first, and then we'll see how the situation is. Almost about to reach home, another 5-10 minutes and we'll be home. So it will be this much for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you all have liked the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.